primarily for the reason that accepting that there is a communication gap is the first challenge. A lot of them, because they are able to speak English fluently or they're managing some kind of accented English, they feel their communication is good. But communication is not just about talking or understanding English. It is much beyond being able to, share with others what you have done, what is your level of knowledge, what kind of things you bring to the table is hugely the same. Believe me, most of the interviewers, when they give us feedback on our students, the first point that they highlight is communication was not as per expected. So this is something that, again, I think even institutions are not really paying as much attention as it should be done. Yeah. Working at a lot of time, communication, in fact, in colleges, is taken as personality development. It's not that. That's the problem. Communication is kept with personality development, and a lot of trainers are brought in, professionals who work on students' personality development and all that, and communication somewhere is lost. So, are you just talk about communication, or should we club this into soft skills?
Communication, I believe, could be a better testing, not a top. Because this is
Creation skill, it is absolutely essential.
yeah, it had to be message. It cannot be just like okay, you come and give a presentation. I have to be a promo assessment industry. Because if you're not able to communicate how good you are, it is not going to work.
And how rest a PowerPoint presentation you made, it's not going to really.
So education, I think education should adopt a better, not as an elective. Because in my time also, communication was an elective subject. And me usually presentation.
It is very likely.
Yep, in very likely you were in college around that same time when I was a student. So I
Because this point is very pertinent to the second point which I said while high skills make that they should be able to raise plaques at the right time, what trainings and things they need, and also to say whether this task is doable or not. Right? Say for example, if I load you with something which is not doable even in 5 takers, and I'm giving you just 2 days, if you don't know how to communicate that properly, right, then it goes for a toss. And if you just fail, then you would be labeled as a fail. So how we narrate that, communicate that, pass the right messages is very important. That's why I was asking, should we just talk about communication or even the other attributes, how we, at what time, what position, who, how we. So every kind of soft skill. That's what my
Some of these other aspects of substance students required as the on jobs.
Yes.
But communication is the first responsibility of the candidate of the institution. See, I feel little different about it. Whenever it is on their head, they do it by Dupaka. Whenever they don't have, those deadlines, that they pay everything beneath. Whether it is about communication, whether it is about showing confidence, courage, doing the projects, meeting the guidelines, anything. Believe me, at last Monday, I had got requests from TED students. That time, please give us the income back. I said, yeah, what about the question? Not answer the question. So, are they not able to come ahead? Are they not able to reach out to me through LinkedIn? That really an internship है तो मुझे यहाँ apply करना है जवाब like. So they're everything in self-care. What is it a deadline or a target? So college में widget submit करना है या उनको कहीं interview के लिए जाना है? Or is it that they have the flexibility कि कहीं ना कहीं सब हो जाए?
So I think Shikasi on that note, let's also share something. What's happening is they also feel that coming from a very industry perspective, I say, especially in the Gen Z, they are more the she know active quality. I would say she coming from a Z when we were talking Gen Z versus millennial approach.
I'm happy to be a Vedic.
So what I was saying is, they also feel they are, so much loaded with the concept of work-life balance. कि यार मुझे कितने देर आप करना हुआ internship and those things. First, we coming from an industry perspective, I have no two-face in saying this. In the initial year, forget about work. You have to stock. You have to make a mark. That's how you will be promoted. It's not about whether I like you or not. If your work is good, you are already at the next level. You're taking the work of a senior, you would be promoted. So work hard. And a lot of those interns come, how much do I have to work?
What बेटा सी बात है तो मेरा बेटा मेरे को कल शाम को बोल रहा था 10 दिन हो गए कि ये पूरा दिन आईडीए के लिए लिम्बा ऐसा चुका पब्लिक कनेक्ट में ऐसा
See, so more so in India, which is such a competitive country, if you are not doing it, there are 10,000 people to take a banky positions. It's a very Western concept where the population density is less. Here we can't afford that.
Did you want to add some point?
Yeah, so just coming back to the question, okay, I feel communication gap is not about speaking or writing skills. It is about how you are able to translate complexities into clarity. From my research perspective, a challenge for me would be if I am able to explain all this analysis for a legal analysis to somebody who's outside my like that's where I will know yes, I do have communication skills because I will able to make that person understands the legal nuances of something. Right? So translating complexities into clarity is geared to simple translating it or putting your knowledge into something that I would say an organizational impact. That's where I see this happens.
See, the challenge, with communication and even the linguistic ability of kids these days is going down. I don't know whether you've observed or that.
That's an understatement.
I've been coming back to my kind of an institution with to say, इसको English बोलना नहीं है. What do you do with that problem? At the university level, it is difficult. And when you don't know the language, the second part which is saying that articulation doesn't happen because you don't know the language. The medium of, communicating your ideas, thoughts is missing. So, challenges at school level. My daughter, she passed out class 12. For English paper, she studied for a week. And she got 97 marks and maths, science, etc. Maths versus chemistry study for the whole year and she struggled to reach to 90s level. And in our times, we used to read newspaper. There was a lot of thirst on people. My daughter sometimes come back and say, what is this word? Is ridiculous? And it's a very simple word. It's a common word which, and she's fascinated. ये तो आपकी vocabulary बहुत अच्छी है. Whereas it's a common word with. So we have learned, we have grown through that stage where we used to. How many, students are encouraged to do class reading? Class reading में every student in our time just to get an opportunity to सबको बोलते थे teacher कि करो तुम वेली का ओवरे पूरा paragraph को पढ़ता था. Teacher used to, and that methodology, in fact, the pedagogy also has probably changed.
There was a book, Red Book, Norman Lewis, Word Barber Made Easy. I guess you happiness, pick that book and roam around the
I, out of curiosity, asked one student, have you to, so they were sending challenge, have you read Reverend Martin? ऐसा वो क्या होता? तब मैंने से कौन सी ग्रामर ये बात ही जो पुराना हो गया लेकिन यहाँ से कौन सी ग्रामर की किताब He was not aware while he
I could actually the book Sherry. I still carry it,
उससे की है कि नहीं?
That's the most challenging thing. I think this generation, I think we're too late to recognize it for the reason that I get mails from recruiters where they are highlighting that your students had a communication challenge and there are at least 5 mistakes that means
तो very valid point said.
so गंगा की गंगोत्री खराब हो रही है प्रॉब्लम वो है where I mean we are late in making
universities are most to especially if I have to name some of them private institution like airport and they're teaching English to schools. I'm asking them how do you manage or either asking this question if I had to I started looking for somebody to take care of the English language.
Okay, so on that English versus business leadership, you have to see people are working very closely with the US side, and the giants and the team there, they used to say, your team members, their communication at English is different, and we used to tell them they're talking about business communication, even from the experienced law. So English is what we versus acceptance for the client side of the business leadership.
Correct. So the problem is the medium of expression itself is missing. They don't know the language. They don't know Hindi. They don't know English. They don't even their mother tongue. तो आगे कैसे करें? So ये challenge. How do you sir do it, sir, at your institution? Dr. Aditya, do you face this challenge with retro class?
Obviously, sir, that is there, but fundamentally, I think ज्ञान है तो communication आ जाता है.
AVS.
कॉन्फिडेंस आता है पहले, ज्ञान है तो कॉन्फिडेंस आता है, कॉन्फिडेंस आता है तो चाय पाए.
Dr. Aditya, they are doing very well at the first time, and I was a mystery prop there as well. And I was taking CBR there, Contemporary Business Review. So they wanted the students to learn all these contemporary topics that related back. And when you were doing that, the essence that came up, one, the contemporary topics, two, how to build that, and three, when they're talking about it, the professional business language came through. So that was an interesting experiment that was happening there.
We still do that. We have a originate CBR methods up. So it's like picked up a topic.
I saw the growth that was happening for students with that. That's what I'm saying, right?
If they know about it, they will find ways, means, and mechanisms to tell that. That basic background confidence that I am able to express myself starts coming. So that is the only way. As you said, English talk, जैसा में सिफारिश.
Correct.
आप लम्हा लीजिए इंग्लिश की जितनी मर्जी फैकेट दीस और नहीं होना. Good British Council ATEX, I've tried that. British Council के इंग्लिश तथा हो.
Then what is the solution?
Solution क्या है? वही solution.
Solution है. We have to look at if see I did most of what course when CG company is doing now. जैसे आपको अपनी मदर लैंग्वेज आती है मैं आपको स्टेटमेंट भेजता हूँ. आप मदर लैंग्वेज का कमांड होल्ड करिए, उसमें कन्विंस करने के तरीके रखिए. मैं आपको फिल्म बेचने के लिए से भेजता. मैं आपको हिंदी में कमांड
Sir, but still a majority of business
As a result, my major stake is in my tech program. I put 3,000 students every year computer science are Now, what is go with that? On IT specifically,
I think I'm sure you vote for it and देखिए आप तो नहीं आती हो काम से ज़्यादा.
नहीं sorry. आगे से baby.
She said,
IA certain text code you are dealing with at US point. चलता है.
So basic they pick up. So tell me the hose not so bad. You have to make sure, as I said, once they know it, they find their way through.
So this no one people get staging. A lot of people get off the ladder as well.
You have to see, they do the effort and say, he and I in 1.5 years cannot teach them English. Yes, correct. It's something we should take in much as well.
सर मेरी तो सुन लीजिए कि अगर मुझे पता है मुझे ना जाना है, so what is required? And
This is yes, refinement of a yes, structuring of a yes. We expect them to start becoming a learned English guy.
I agree. And somewhere, there has to be a reward mechanism where you say clarity, communication clarity versus the use of jargon for communication. Right? So I can somewhere, if we are able to establish some kind of a reward mechanism, and it need not get reward, but more like an acceptance in the organization when it says your clarity of communicating what it matters, how it matters, and where it matters against the bunch of jargons and the padded emails that comes through. That could be one of the ways where you can really say you've got the communication right. Because you see, and I've seen this with my experience here, I receive emails from my teams who are in all generations. Nothing against or called Gen Z. They would write the communication out of an AI-generated part. Reality is that, yeah, but the reality is to get the right communication out of that AI, you have to communicate what you need. In a report past 1 year, I was seeing the best of dissertation project records, right? And I always wanted this PhD level, and they're really in their MBA final year. But the moment you open it and you ask questions, there are at least it kept using AI, be able to explain it. I have method based strategy, but जो कुछ उसने आपको दिया है उसको समझो, समझाओ. True, that is very important. That's
resume or maybe report or presentation, everything is AI generated. Nobody is aware of what is written in a document. They just come, get the job done, and get question. They have no answer to what they have contained, so whatever document they have printed.
I do want to clarify here. One of the reasons why AI generated profiles are that useful is because companies also use AI to segregate the candidates. So that's why what happens is they are hand in hand. Exactly. Not even gloves around there. So that's becomes the first barrier is on top. Because if your CV is completely AI generated, it will be a replica of what the organization was. So you may not
Because your genetic is AI.
What that is the worst combination in an organization, because then you have a candidate whose resume was perfect, that seemed to be perfect fit, and now the candidate actually do my job. They cannot correlate back to the what they asked.
That's why I was talking about the White article said the same thing, you know. People are customizing because AI is enabling you to customize your CV as per the JD. You just have to put together with the
Absolutely.
it pop outs a beautiful, wonderful CV. But then when it comes to the job role, when you're going, you're trying to explain things to the person, you're not able to do that. So one that I like to add is that eventually this all comes out to a very basic principle of life, which is habit formation. What as kids we are taught certain habits which we take forward in our life. I think which is also becoming a habit.
Yeah.
Aaj aapke two colleagues in Asara using ChatGPT or Claude to write their presentations or their presentations. Two people more will also adopt the habit. So I think this habit formation can also be fixed at the institutional level. As an entrepreneur, I also try to fix habits because I also try to one is view communication at the time of interview with a person. If at that point of time, this is a dual communication. I think I enjoy instead of interviewing the candidate, I sometimes use interviewing my venture also. Rather than telling you what I have done, what my company is, what I require from you, how many hours of the week I require from you, what kind of skills I require from you. Then he comes back, I don't have to work on Saturdays. No problem, sir. No problem. But sometimes there are events and what will we do? Then I'll leave the weekly off. So at another interface, sometimes a two-way communication happens and I'm just trying that. I think I have 100% Gen Z workforce understand the street from there. They are that sometimes the good part is, I'm saying from a team point of view also that once you do have those clarity, that communication clearly done with the spokes, that you're very clear with them that, okay, I know, and it's a negotiation. It's them adapting to you and you adapting to them as well. And you give them the freedom and you tell them that this is the quantitative or qualitative result you eventually by the end of the day. Then they go also before. And like I do all the get results as well. And I have seen those good results also. It's just that habit formation has to be done. So I constantly have to also keep, even our reporting is done in certain fashion, which, and we do pinpoint. Tokyo reporting नहीं. Tokna चाहिए. हमारे hands
Sam, what we did was, if you learn building what the communication patterns, it can have a bit of clarity and yeah, shit. I remember for one of our clients, in the last comment, they gave us some extra work and then we said it's a Diwali time and we were like, me ho sakta. And I just quoted them, twice the charge rate on what it is. They agreed. Yes, now they agree now what to do. So I involved my team and told them with our ownership and clarity, this is the situation. So they were willing to adjust, adapt, come and do that work. I remember there was one girl, uski wo pehli Diwali thi, all the chuda I bought. She told me, AP, I'll come early and leave early, मैं ऐसे ही आ दूँ, but since it is committed, I want to keep it up.